Assalamualaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel.
If you lost your job tomorrow, how would you replace your income? In 2025, thousands of people are making $500 a day online, and most of them started with no fancy degree, no office, and no big investment. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it, step by step, and how you can do too. And make sure you stick around till the end because I'll share the secret method that help regular people scale from their first $50 to a consistent $500 a day.
First one is high-ticket freelancing. Freelancing is nothing new, but in 2025, the real money is in high-ticket skills. Instead of $5 logo gigs, think $500 website design, $1,000 copywriting projects, or $2,000 video editing contracts. Here's the secret: don't sell your time cheap. Package your skill as a solution. Example, instead of saying or designing websites, say I built landing pages that convert visitors into paying customers. Businesses pay more for results.
Second is online coaching or consulting. Everyone is an expert in something: fitness, marketing, baking, even studying hack. In 2025, online coaching is exploding. Platform like Zoom or even private WhatsApp group lets you coach clients worldwide. Charge $100 per client, get 5 clients a day, boom. $500. Third is digital courses. Courses are digital gold. People want shortcuts, and if you can teach a skill, whether it's photography, cooking, or finance, you can sell it as a course on Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad. One course created once can sell thousands of time. At $50 per course, just 10 sales a day is equal to $500. Fourth is faceless YouTube channel. YouTube is still the king of passive income in 2025. And the best part, you don't even need to show your face. With stock footage, AI voiceover, and smart editing, you can build a faceless channel around topics like finance, tech, or health. Monetize with ads, add affiliate link below, and boom, you have created a machine that works 24/7. Fifth is AI-powered e-commerce. E-commerce is getting smarter. In 2025, you don't need to store inventory or ship products yourself. With AI-powered dropshipping and print-on-demand, your store can sell automatically. The trick? Find trending products with tools like Sell the Trend or TikTok ads, create a branded Shopify store, and let automation handle fulfillment. At just $25 profit per order, 20 orders a day is equal to $500. That's pretty much. Now here's the truth. Making your first $50 online feels hard, but scaling it to $500, that's just about systems and consistency. Pick one method, stay consistent, reinvest your earning into better tools, ads, or outsourcing. That's how freelancers become agencies, coaches become influencers, and small stores turn into brands. So, what's stopping you from building your $500 a day income stream this year? If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.